for a part the monthly with his wife. You know, say if thief enter person house, come thief, you know good, sha, you know good. Where Oji are you know wrong one? I didn't me oh. Only why I say thank God for your child. And this should give a lot of family in abroad when we say that they take care of children. This message is for you guys. You have children at home. When you are going out, tell your children not to open door for anybody. If you are in abroad, you have child. You are going out. You leave your children at home. Don't tell your children not to open door. Do you understand? Thank God say they not go by mistake, go by your pikin. Not be gold you go they talk. No matter how I go shall reach for gold. Not be today they start to they lost gold. People don't lost gold, you know. Not be today. Now that your pikin when be say they no go by yan. Thank God. People enter house, put gun for small pikin here. Now that pikin now for first carry a good doctor. Carry a good doctor. Whether make it not go dey fear the night. Now that one first. You know say una won't be Nigeria. You know say una get una character. If now you born another pikin first, now you go. Now that pikin don't fair they talk. Not be waiting the count. If you don't tell now, don't tell when people they enter people house, they bust out, they thief gold. Me, they don't thief my gold. They don't thief my gold when it worth millions. Millions. But today, I still they buy. You know, I still they buy. Now so, my people, now so they be. Thank God say, why you send this message, go give a pa at the Murphy. By the Murphy, you see now, if papa they come out for house, no matter how that child go big rich, once you say, Kia, who is that? You go say, na police. You tell your pikin say, may you tell police say, my father not dey house. Even before police go reach your house, if police they come your house, they don't fail know whether you dey around, whether you not dey around. There is no way when police go take reach your house, when police not go meet you for house. Because all the old tree when you dey for European country, camera dey all. If you dey enter house, police know. If you dey come out for house, police know. You don't ever see where police go find somebody reach house. He go say police not meet that person for house. It dey hard for Europe. Police not fit find you reach house say no meet you for house. That one na lie now. It dey hard. I don't understand. Maybe if they want drop letter for you, if not even police want drop letter for you, they drop letter for you, maybe they come police station, that they get who that they say, go put the letter for your letter board. Police no fee reach your house, miss appointment, say they no meet you for house. Before police they come your house, they don't already, don't walk am down. If police they come your house next week, they don't already they walk am down. Say so week like this that they come this person house. You're going and coming. They know when you take the go and when you take the come in. Even if they want to track you, they go day area. Even the one we know wear cloth go day. The one we go wear cloth go day. You know, police for Europe. If they want reach your house, if you check area, police already day area when you know wear cloth. That is how police say they work. The one where two police go enter car, they come. At that moment, not be only two of them did that area. A lot of police they when be say they don't wear cloth, they go day area. But the two when they come your house, they will come knock door. I don't understand. And that's how they be. In case of when I say what happen, so you know, me I always they pick something from video. I always now the parts when be say they educate people. Now me and they pick from video, you know, like everybody that see a pa at the Murphy video this afternoon, because now this afternoon I see and be is it this evening if I not come know again. When I see her, they say they don't come pack their goat for house. Now their son open door for the people when he come their house, come thief them. for abroad, then before children go open door. If mama they come out, he go say, if anybody knock door, ring bell, don't open door. No open door. That is the first thing when they teach children. If your papa and your mama they come out, they get key. If not your papa and your mama, you know their voice. If stranger they come your house, you don't need to open door, you know, for stranger. Even if say na your papa brother, he get some people. Now even if say na papa brother, he go say uncle, daddy no dey house. My daddy say make I no open door. He go say open that door. He go say uncle, I no dey open door for you. My daddy say I should not open door for anybody. He go say I'm not a visitor. He say at this moment my daddy is not at home. That's it. A lot of people now. When I see wetin happen to Epa Edimofi, so thank God say they no go buy a pikin. Now that one I see come out for inside. Thank God say they no buy a pikin. Before they come put gun for small pikin. You know wetin that pikin experience so? Did you know what that guy, whether na rubber pistol, whether na original one, only to point gun like this? No. Thank God say they no go chisel that pikin. Thank God say they no go buy another one. Now see for inside. The rest, nothing dead there. Nothing dead there. Thank God for your son. Say they no harm your son, not to do your son, you know. And this is a big warning to Nigeria people that have children in abroad. Before you see Oyibo open door for you, they will remove curtain for window. They see and say, they go from window tell you say, no, my papa not dey house. They know they open door. My children, when my children small, even say na supermarket here, now I want to go buy something. I'll tell my children, say, no open door for anybody. And if somebody ring bell, no open door. If somebody ring bell, no open door. Do you understand? No open door. Before you see say my children go even see say that I serve. No. They not open door. Who they want open door for? As my children big reach so. Before my children go open door for person, you go know say na poster. The story is okay, now lie. Not lie. No say even if say true something they happen for social media now, people go just say na lie. Even if say na true, they say na lie. I go like the way when a part the Murphy wife they do, you go now prank. Is that prank? I don't think so. I don't know. You know, When we still the waiter they talk now. Whether the thief go do, whether they not thief go do, it don't take when they enter people house the thief, not be today. I tell you understand. They enter, yeah. Like as my children big reach so, if they ring bell, if the density room, they will climb up, go from up, go check who they ring bell. And so that they do. If they as my boy big reach so, if they ring bell, my boy no will just go open door. No. My boy is 17 years. You know, just go open door. Instead of my boy to open this window for here, he will go up, go from window check, who they down. If not poster, before they go come down. If not be poster, all those posters, if you order something, poster when they bring something for you when they order, you know, say that they wear clothes, they get their own clothes, you know. My children, before they go open door for person, if they not even open door, I tell them, say, no open door. If na poster, na you come, you from upstairs. And they will tell them, say, no open door. If poster reach house, they not see you. Your neighbor, poster will go put paper for there. Then they go draw for your house. Say, they put your order, the next door. They go put paper for your boss, for your letter boss, you know. You know, that was it. You know, that was it. I don't dey talk whether na story, whether no be story. Do you know what I said? Yeah, are you just coming? I said wetin I pick comot for inside wetin happen. When I want tell people when dey social media. You people should be telling your children, if they ring bell, make dem no dey open door. Some children dey now, if they just ring bell, they'll just run go. No. Now let that one pick come out for inside. Say they carry gun, put for a pikin here. It can happen. Yeah, it can happen. No, say, since when like on the social media, even if say something happen to people not dey gree take am again, they'll say na lie. Because why? Na lie, na it plenty pass truth when dey social media. Now be say this life, if you want to start something with people, don't come with lie. If you come with lie, the time when the truth go come dey intervene, when the truth go come dey unveil, people will see say na lie, you dey lie. I don't understand. That is it. That is, if you want to start things with people, be that honest person and be truthful, so that whenever you are saying something, people go they believe you. I don't understand. Now you make Facebook, even if it says there's something true happen, people not they believe again. Because why? Lie too much. Because all of them started lies, lie. Now even if you say there's something not truth now, they go say na lie. I don't understand. This movie, I will watch this movie. Where my remote? You know, na so it be. While me, I talk, wetin I talk for the I don't feel what the movie. Wetin I talk for this.
Yo, video people include your video. No. Yeah, just my
Wetin me I talk so for the wetin I see for the video. When you have children, if they come out for house, you tell your children, say, if anybody ring bell, no open door. Now wetin na me I see for that video, now I can't talk so. You know, but talk say no open door. As big as my children is, if the day house say bell ring, me I go dey city room. Or sometimes I go they do something for backyard. They know they come down, they go from up, from window look for up, who they downstairs, you know, for outside. This one should give a lot of you sense now. Tell una children, say, make them know the open door. If police walk on your house, you don't ever see where police go miss, he come your house, he don't see you carry. Now lie. If police walk on your house, they don't already tag the time when they take the come. Police know everything. All of us when they're abroad, police get our number. They get our number. Your number of house, they get them. Even your car, when you dey ride, they go. Camera, they carry your car up and down, you don't go know. That is it. Police want to track you, they can track you. Once they track you, your address, everything when they happen for your house, you go the land. If they say they want to track you, you get everything, they will just do everything when they happen for your area. Even if they not beside your house, for your compound, they will just they see everything. And that's it. Some people now, if they can't ring bell for our house, no not tell our children, me our children not they open door again. Yeah, that is what I see inside. Because people when enter the house go carry the gold Thank God say they no buy that small pikin when they house. Now that one they will talk. Yeah. Now that one they will talk. Not be today. Don't take when they enter house they pack good. When it comes to gold matter, don't take. Don't tell when they enter house. Sometimes thief go enter your house. Where you pack Hollandis put. They know they carry Hollandis. Now gold they go carry. Now gold, now they know wetin be. They don't know wetin Hollandis be. Unless say na black person enter your house. Yeah, see Hollandis, you go pack am. If na Arab enter your house, now gold, now they go carry. I don't understand. That is how you work. Okay, okay, so you can't lose the Murphy son hand. Not be they can't lose his hand as they can't reach inside house. Huh? You for answer now. Who can't lose the pikin hand? Commenters. Now we'll make heaven soon. Are you guys going to make heaven? That was a good question you ask. Who can lose his hand? Ọmalagba body yeke. Love you na musician yo genya adwebi de weki ya if your body yeke. That is it. And that's how it's supposed to be. From God, they don't take where thief the house. The boy they what you say the boy they do? The boy they shout for who the thief are good. Now what? So let me just present them and say, if you see that one can laugh well. They don't know say na commenters, they make me they laugh. You know say so don't know how to read. They don't know what to me and they read when they make me they laugh. This question all of they ask me. I beg. If I debuff you go come back to live video because they ask me question for here. Not be my house and for thief gold. Oh my God. Commenters. Commenters, I pray make you make heaven. And why? If you get gold, if you be one way get gold, better gold though, not be all those shower one at the well. Better gold. If you get not they put them for one place, you go scatter them. If you get gold, real gold, wey be say na real gold, not be akmagli when una dey wear. Akmagli, if you like, they pack am, nothing they want use and do, nothing they there, they will still go to wear for road. So now, if you get real gold, they don't they put am for one place. No. Get sense. If you get gold, no they put am for one place, it's not good. You go scatter and put for everywhere. That's what they do. If you get gold, you see them and demand for you also. If you get better gold for inside house, so not be that one that they buy for AliExpress. So real gold. I bet, comment, I bet they go. I just go beg you. Don't leave me. As I dey here so, I don't get straight. Never to tell when my kata finish. I don't get straight. I don't feel laugh. You say, why Eddie no video his son before he lose the hand? This my platform na Proco area. This place na laugh with the laugh for you. You go make heaven so easy, priest. The letter just small. Priest so said. You go make heaven so. Almost there. You go make heaven so. Well, I want for you. Oh. If the man can't lose the phone, he will come on video put it. You know what be picky? Ah, a the muffin na first mouth. Now because the Facebook get us it be now that they look about the muffin say na small boy. Person they enter house. You see say the type picky put for ground. You will come see my sit there on video. Ah, commenter. Now reduce the fire. It too hot. They put the when they take tidy. Another comment I don't read again. He said when they put the rope, when they tie the hand. I don't know. They never show us the rope to nah, una dey spoil person business. They never show una the rope. No worry, Paul go show the rope. They say the thief goes. Una dey talk of rope. Me I still talk my own. The boss, the Ecola boss where they put this thing, they break am. They break the Ecola boss where they put the gold. They don't they pack one go for one place. Don't they pack go for one place. Then they scatter and put for house. Put some for where they cook for kitchen. Put some for sitting room. Put for some inside house. Now they put out, not put out for one place. If you don't put out for one place, if thief just reach your house, that thief go too happy. Chai! He go too happy. The thief go even say, in the name of the Father, of the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. You know what it be good? Gold na investment, eh? The people don't. If you buy the real gold is investment. If you they use 2,000 euro take they buy gold, you no go think. If you they use 3,000 take they buy gold, you no go say, hey, it's not too big. No. If you need money, if you broke, you need money, you can go to go shop, then you sell it, then you pay your tax from it. One thief good with a gun for bro still remember to pack all the rubbish. What do you say? Who can't thief gold with gun for our bro still remember to pack all the rubbish? Is it rubbish? Rubbish, Jonah. Oh. So anything that comes to this social media now, una just beg say una no go dey believe again. They no get CCTV camera. Okay, they ask whether they don't get CCTV camera. They go get now. Now the boy thief the good. He won't use the money go. Okay, you said that the boy no. Now today the gold did the house. No, for that one, no, I'm not sure. No, I'm not sure. Not be today gold did that house now. If they pay, even the one with the Ezekiko self, if you Ezekiko self, you still thief them Ezekiko good. They still they pay. The one that they call her good. Not where our adult people don't go call good. Even the one where they shade, John, John okra for market. When Ghana people they share John crayfish, they still they call and go. Eddie Murphy and it's okay. I'm doing prank. Okay. Another greater good. Is it great good? I mean, you say na prank that they do. Na prank. I don't say that here now with the gossip. I don't want to disturb Sister Caller. If I disturb Sister Caller, now Sister Caller go call you, go come they make me they laugh. Now, but they do drug go make una check a hand. He hold the drug for hand. So yeah, bye. Yeah. Only what you make una they make me they laugh. You say why Papa no video the time when they take time, but okay. That one is child abuse now. Era waki by day. Okay, na agbo vie you talk. You go just carry video. My una series in that one now. Una series in that one now. That one say waiting be good. Not be bad if I buy the good. Person just they come for outside. You just see picking for you dey ground. No say that thing they break heart. A pikin will just dey ground. What about body you talk? You know? Do you know why when it comes to social media, people take it as they put insult. They don't even know which word that one even use self. This something don't escape me, you know. That is a son of a man you are talking about. I don't understand. As he don't enter inside house, he see picking the type picking for down. Yeah. He not going to even remember phone again. Even if they talk for phone, if you see picking for ground, you go throw away phone, quick, lose the picking, come on for ground. Now picking with the talk, so and because okay, you say Eddie Murphy wants to cover up for I know Gary We saga. That one went what shall no you know, may the lady so rest in perfect peace. Yeah. What I saw for this week, so I have never experienced this thing before. Somebody just die, una just put her for saga, una dey insult her, una dey say una dey disgrace her. Who don't die? If una like make una from tomorrow go disgrace her, reach 20 years, e no dey alive again to collect the shame. That is what you people don't know. Somebody that died, you guys, you are disgracing her, giving her names, calling her names, they blackmail her. Is she alive to face this disgrace? No, she's not alive to face the disgrace. Then why doing it? The people where they do herself, they are very useless. And they talk her. Enoge is a useless son of a frustrated mother. Now me they talk her. Enoge, he's a useless son of a frustrated mother. You know, that's not my. I don't want to go down to that bullshit. May the lady so rest in perfect peace. The name why he good down. I felt to say one day, when I go they follow ghost they fight. The name or why he good down. I rest my case for there. I don't want to come past there. You know. Touch something once, remove hand. If somebody pass away, only what you just do, rest in peace. Finish. Why is it that now everything that they carry on social media? Why? Why be saying now everything? Can't why? Oh, now it made that they say lovely now resist. My people, if you see this kind of people, you go follow them, my friend. Now they say lovely resist, oh, lovely not they follow Benin people play, oh. Now lie, I get Benin people when they follow play. No be all. Now you see so when they are no one succumb to their own life. They say lovely na resist. Lovely not like Benin people. Lovely na racist. They go they talk am. I don't look at sometimes say yes, I be racist. Anybody when be say you reach where some of them dey, you go be racist to them because why? You know what made they cross your path. Don't allow them to cross your path. Somebody when just died. Yeah, una begin to dey insult him mama. See one useless girl. When you later come and come to apologize to that to the girl when he died. When you come to apologize to him mama. But you never knew those people. You don't know them. You just carry mama come. You just start to dey insult him mama. If una dey insult una before una start to dey insult somebody mama, I'm not sure say una dey look una mama like itaba na zeyiwe. Because you know they respect una mama, na make una dey insult another person mama. You just call when you just dey talk the matter. People don't feel say this girl just know this family rich house. When I dey waka for social media just now, I see the girl, she dey apologize to the late girl mother. She's apologizing. I say, what's this? But you didn't know these people. But why blind? Why are you black flaming all those talk when you they talk? Why you they lie? Why all this? Eh? Why all this? That is why me are they talking. These people, even if say they carry newborn baby, they be there. Then I know they carry they come my house. I don't go rent hotel for them. So you have go sleep for that hotel with your pikin. Now because of your pikin, I want do one. It's a painful thing. Well, we are going not be inside Facebook now will make money. You both should go out there. What when you go some told me taba she taba street. I mean they say go for street. E passion we wait for a show no for a show cross go any country. Nonsense. Even Germany when they for there Nigerian guy they run things for street. They for inside house. They fool yourself. The girl, no, you don't get one. Yeah, that was bad, Sandra Osage. That was really bad. On police come your house. Why you not call your daddy before you open door? You say police come their house. Why you not call your daddy before you open door? That is terrible. They should not do that again. It's not good. You know? Anybody that make friendship with a way and yeah, those people, you know see what he thought that time? He said, na him make am. He know they call me I know they call him. And I don't see you for far away. You are a new guy. All new guys that they street that they hustle. Who they work for Fabrica, they work for Fabrica. I see that there is nothing in him. Now I make me they from far away. They look at. He was so surprised. You know, for over 2 years. He never called me. Maybe you know they call to talk like over 2 years. I will be talking. No. Now Facebook, if I see someone I see talk sometimes say this something still they sweet me, I'll still call in, still laugh. You know, that is the way I play my game. When I see people when they don't respect their senior, I know they too much. I know they go close to them. I wish you go see my old school go ask now. They'll say lovely. Once you disrespect your senior, lovely can never go down with you. I can never do anything with you. I look the young boy. This guy, Enoge. All he make they busy, they build house. If they busy, they chase dust. See what they chase for social media, dust. You want that they mention my name. You don't bath. Where you never bath now. Huh? You never bath. You the Chris. See the woman when he thief 3 eggs with 5 pints. That woman. Make it a disgrace. And now only you want to do a shawo. Not only you until they rob the rest women. Because say you can't disgrace yourself, say you be a shawo. Now in make her, she won't use until rob all the old women. Yes, because in a shape to now, but they do odechi. It depend on well. That woman something can pay because they don't already they call her Butana. It be agia. Now they make her, they use until they rob other women. You see, huh? I make she they use until they rob other women. Because she don't already disgrace herself. She dey find people when she go use the song to take rob. See one woman when he do video, go give Osaunse. He tell Osaunse say, wait talk ba na me yenya we mati igbe aga bae. I don't know. That guy, he will still go back to roadwork again. That one. Roadwork don't enter his blood. He will still go back to roadwork. All those women don't know how to take care of children. They can't person matter they ayona. The children they sleep for ground. For abroad, 9 children they sleep for ground. Ewe bo mona yoto. Eh? Since I don't dey abroad, since people don't they born for abroad. Eh? Since people don't they born for abroad, our Nigerian people they born for abroad. Eh? I never see say their children don't sleep for ground. Laila me my me. Now these people, I see say their pikin they sleep for ground. The other day now, she they text say one live video presenter send message for her say go buy bed. They say your children don't get bed. If they tell that one say, if you go see children room, you want to decorate your children room. You don't they go a month now. What you say, tell her? Maybe that you say the boy a pass say short happen. Short what? Short happen. I don't understand. The girl not even get. Okay. You know? Oh my wow. If you see the girl self, if you see the girl, you pity for her. Oh, pity for her. No. You see, they do live video sometimes, and they talk to mother. Sometimes they say, shut up, wait till you they talk. Because you know what be una problem. Una problem, Una will just they want say, waiting when not be real, may be real. And something when not be real, una want make it be real. Una life fantasy where. Fantasy is not real. Now make people they call it fantasy. You know get where go carry you rich. You know? That's it. Now so life be. Sometimes make we know the way when we take they do for this life. Let's say who fair die. Now people will laugh. Today now, may God still let me last too. Even you say I die, people they insult me, they go, I not go no. Even you say I die self, or I not go see my ROIP for Facebook. Who want bring my ROIP come? No. I pray to God, say may all of us live long, so that we go enjoy the fruit of the labor when we labor for our children. You know? Like me now. If it's not the time when God will call me, say I go. Una want come see me, they blog ROIP. Una know whether I dey alive or I don't want to do live video. Now so now. That is it. The way when they say they behave sometimes, not good. Una community, they make some of una community people they scare away from you guys. It's terrible. I don't know. They say now una get love pass. There is no love for una. Out of 100% of Benin, may I just talk say 20 get love. May I just talk say the remaining 80 people, they may not be human being. They not be una they see. Now wait till they always they talk every day be this. People will say, lovely, you are racist. No. They say, aloare huge na they take they see things. What happened? Somebody die. Waiting una do. No. No. This is terrible. You are welcome, my personal person. Mama, yo! Okay, you dey come back. Okay, now. If you want talk, you let me, you write down for comment. May I go bring my phone for up. I don't want to take for yourself. I should understand. You not go see any of them when you want to do friend. Una people don't they fear una. Wawa yo hi oha hiya ya nyenye. Una own people. Una own people they fear una. Una Edo people they fear una. They are afraid of you guys. If some of una sisters self, if they hear say, brother call your in dodge. Some of Benin people, if they hear their fellow Benin say, Oteme call your, that they dodge. Before, if you hear say, call brother, you also say they go to you say, na Benin you be, brother call, sister, good afternoon, man. They go, that call go draw the new body. But now, if they hear call, they will find where go high put. It's all he thought, why? The bad one, can they make the good one they wrong? And they always talk, I get Benin. Okay, may I go bring her? I get Benin friend. Yes. She's from Benin. You don't get mad. You know they talk. Why she never carry me come give una make una dey beat? You never read this up today. Everybody wake up the boy one more. Oh my God. Egberere nuku a. Onuku. Mama, don't bring the phone, no. Igbewe for a man. As Benin people talk, igbewe for a dinner. Now, so, una people, they run for una. They are scared. See what happen. Somebody just passed away. Una come, I don't understand. What did they happen? What a frustration worry wa. Now frustration, now they worry some of una for inside. Is it frustration? Una pieces, una don't feel put them together again. Can't you guys pick your pieces and put it together so that you guys will reason where? Because the when we are reason, or we were here, people are scared. They were scared. What you guys are doing, you don't know what you are doing. Una they destroy una self. You know, if person say one come marry for Benin, now they'll say those people. Those people. Yes, but now few people, now they spoil them. My topic, I got topic. Hello? Hello? How you doing, mama? You say no be Benin is everywhere. My people, I ever see community when person die, the way one take do this one sister when late. Remember me? People they die for Facebook when Igbo person go die. And they will write ROIP. Who go pity. They go write ROIP. You know how many people died this year? I'm gonna put on for speaker. If they talk to you, want to make you they deceive yourself. It's not good.
Before, not truth.
Yeah.
Yes, I day or no. If I day and I see Billy person say they suffer the person, I will tell the son not be Bini.
It's getting too much. You know, they make people they scared for others.
Then
Walk now.
before, if you are here, even though someone you go say the person will say, sister, we do here.
Mm.
Even another person will be back at the go here, they will say, hey, come here, don't know, oh, sister, come, was here, wow, don't go, you know, you can't find person. Before you know, you cry the entire house, finish, Wahala. This. Only that one. See, the more you when you talk just now. No, say I do that video which day. Then I said, the more this way you do, so stop her. Me no say the more you not go change for a life, la. Now because of this important election where they want to, that make her be 6 more. Me, I don't say don't give we money before we come follow and wear that shit so that they wear together, they dance together, so they create nuisance together. Because me no want to guide the figure because you there, but I don't want your body to fair care for your body.
We don't do not the saga like it. Don't do.
You understand? The best way to care person body, poverty not important because one. Okay, see that poor woman. I want to. Where did the saga so? Person we picking tiny. You know, in fact, it's a mysterious way. Nobody feel and nobody feel even know how the take come. I don't know where this death follow come. Why not see him?
No. Say no. It's not a bad demorphy. Mama no say that one no.
I know it's sort of. I make me talk. I know what all the right. Don't you sort of?
No, Mama no. Who
they write that kind of nonsense for you?
You don't do. I don't. You know why we sort of see don't write that comment. Like I will say I know for not read them just now. You can't be like say you want charge you.
Why not go that for the Murphy place when no show the poor woman? Why lost the pikin? All this kind of thing, we go to another like all this hypocrisy. Respect is an hypocrite.
Respect the hypocrites. We not the quarrel for you, commenter. If you wear white, they come. May you go pull them. Make blood not go spoil them.
Respect is an hypocrite. Yeah? This is not normal. To be sincere, it don't work. I sit there for years. I say, hey, this is they do so not good. Come on, hand for this thing. If that may be you as a senior man for the industry, now you're supposed to call everybody say, stop, don't do this. And everybody go beg you. You understand me? But now you as a not be water go hungry person till death.
Okay, Sister Carla say he do that. Now he make a Pie Demon stop. He say tell Pie Demon say may stop.
Do you understand me? So it's about to stop, huh? Because he no work for any reason. That woman now, you don't know what happened to that pikin. Okay, good affair. When I want to say the woman they do this, they do that. The woman now, you know, there's one so. You know, not special husband. You know, in fact, this is all new. There's one place go the job go up, they use and they do saga, they go, they enjoy and they use and make money.
They're not they use and they're not they make money now, man. They just they make. They're not dust that they raise. They all they get waiting that they make money. That one they make money that they don't feel buy bed give children.
Just imagine. Now you create the matter like gala business and they said they go not see work, nobody buy from you. You know one rest.
I want to send message give a Pie Demon. A Pie Demon social media president and you I beg. Your grandchildren now granted they sleep where mommy Hey, Pie Demon. Your grandchildren they are sleeping on the ground, on the floor.
Not on the ground, on the floor.
Their grandchildren, they see they sleep for ground.
No, on the floor. They are sleeping on the ground.
And they be grandchildren.
Grandchildren, they sleep on the ground. The money where I take go carry house, so where I take go buy so they don't even buy bed for children. But they don't sleep
on the all those are when their children they sleep for ground. Those are not they live at mama. Now for session they worry this and you enter house, no children bed for house. Where 4 children birthday? Huh?
4 children. Nothing that 2 double decker for the say, this double decker are for my children. Your grandchildren are sleeping on the anyway. I not talk, but you don't say I talk. I rest my case.
We must no, Mama, we must do one. Make those children they sleep for up. Why the children they sleep for ground? Only day only. Since 4 years now those children they park only for a bit.
Don't start for them, if not that one, only don't start for here. Only don't start for you. Once a day, and I don't use deck they cover, but you know, see me to say that deck. Even when I want to sleep this afternoon, I use clothes cover body. Everywhere don't they go. Yesterday, my jacket, I will not see jacket for my body when I go out that evening. Those are something winter jacket.
Yes, so amen, Grace. Is it Grace? Wait, my mother you come and overprove I'll be. I'm not gonna know whether I overprove I'll be. Prof, is it prof? I don't know. I know they see the comment where. Yeah, may God give the woman strength to. It's not easy, eh?
Not easy. That's why not easy, eh? That woman try. I think the woman see about those children from Nigeria. She don't say no, I carry. I bad that because of a kia. Or man say my in Nigeria, man bow in a bed. She before woman. You know she say you get one video where one blogger caught today. I go say that for you. Be you listen. Where we with the baby mama. If a shop makers they rake. Say the guy the get take on Germany. I not take they don't know. So the guy they go bring proof there's a lot the get life they go after when the guy don't die. But you not to do. Wow. They want the boy video the girl with the picky for train for station. The girl don't even know the video. He carry and give away which one.
Yeah, okay, Debbie, okay. Okay, when the guy go Germany.
Yeah, say not said there. You not said there. See, and I make information is education. Let me pay. Say I be say I know how to do that because they educate many people. They come from that country. They come mostly this Germany. Cause the one mostly when people will get catastrophe on 0-0. You want to do level. You never get to go pour one for. You never get to shop at all. Now that one even easy pass.
You know what? You know what people don't know for this life, Mama. You know, say this life, sometimes it go sweet, sometimes things go still fall apart. Yes. If that woman come on for Germany, come on for Italy, go Germany, go Italy asylum, it's not a big deal. Something can be good, something still fall apart. Did you know that they say you can fall many times and rise again? That is what I see for this life. I don't understand. Okay, they see that girl for Germany with Peking, the video. That girl not be rich girl. He not rich. They don't come to say, oh, you too rich, or see the way when you come to poor. No, he's a normal person like you people. He's a very young girl. The way when you be, not that girl be. What did the girl be? I don't know. The way when they talk about the girl, where he come to this or where he come, not normal life. Only say.
He say why not call her? He not call her when he calls Germany. Why go call you? Get to waiting.
Oh no, something they, you know waiting, eh? Some people they. You see some rich men before you say I was rich, I come poor. He said now he can still rich again. You know when you fall, you get up. That is life. You know waiting, this life. For me, now you see me, no matter how human being go talk rich, I know they follow human being, they look human being. I always they do my own thing. Always know your own thing. Not they put eye for somebody thing. Let your team, they appreciate your team. Let they appreciate yourself. I don't understand. If this guy go Germany, but if he go Germany, you know how many Nigerian actress, Lollywood actress, Igbo people when they date Germany with their husband, they seek asylum. All those Sandra Ashon and this person where they call this all of them they date Germany. I don't know. Did you know what? You know, say we sometimes the way we just want to make everybody and just they live life when be say they know they live. You know, if person not rich, he not rich. If person na 50% okay, make una live am for there. If he not rich, make una live am for there. Make una not they push them. Okay, like this guy now, he come out now, he go Germany. Maybe people will say, if they say, maybe people don't see her, you can reach, you can be done tomorrow. That is how non-so life they be. Not be a by the Murphy wife now, they shall say they can't if he good. Okay, see a by the Murphy wife just now. Now, not today, but the no year if now true, oh, no, na see life, oh. Now true, oh, a by the Murphy wife. Come on, pin, yearing, no day, here. A real life is here.
We ain't say that for Tifa, she felt get good.
Even he say, Mama, wait. We are just saying this. You can have tomorrow. Something if it happen.
Of course.
Something can happen. Okay. Okay, just now. When I buy the Murphy wife there, this thing, that they shout for just say, oh, you don't Ryan. You not put nothing there here, no gold, nothing. Even he say na shower. Nothing there here. That is life. A real life is here. Tomorrow, he can still go find money, still get buy again, small. Sometimes when you see, say, you fuck sometimes, you pick from there. That is life. Many actresses now, America, actors, if they tell you how many times they fall and rise again, I don't understand. Where we not reach, you go, what man? You call it, now there you reach, you now see say somebody make up, he wear human hair. You now go to say the person na milonia. No. Now normal thing when he make take dress. Now he still take dress. Okay, the day when the person not come take dress, why you again he go for. I don't understand. Sometimes when I remember, I understand.
Yeah, no. If the truth say
that is life, oh. Yeah, that is life.
The really thief and gold are called allegedly. Respect is hypocrisy. Allegedly. Yeah? So, like yesterday, didn't feel when she shot me, curse that woman. That woman let curse. Say, make they wait. Make everybody wait for their turn. Now they break. Everywhere, boss. Gosh, they shot for gold. Compare yourself with the person who lost the picking.
Okay, like what you did, Okay, did you see how life they turn? Like since all these days now, to be honest, a pie the Murphy don't already eat now mature person. Now one person will be say everybody they respect for this social media. Even if say some people not they respect you, but some people see they respect you. I don't understand. Everybody is not going to be against you. A pie the Murphy. When that guy die, now they use until they do video, and a human being now he lost. Now true, mama as a mama still talk so. Now human being lost. Una consider they use until they do video. Now God now lost. It can't be like saying a person die. Did you see it? God though, about the Murphy you see, huh? Some people they say na prank, not be prank. Because the way where it's okay, be when it's okay, but did they red? I'm not sure say that one a prank. It's for real, it's real. You know?
It's not prank, my darling.
Yeah.
It's prank. Our body not go the red. Don't be say I see the video. Our body not go red. The ones use anyway, don't concern me.
My brother, this person says she was never broke. She gets money, but she won't father shaft. My people, now so now they talk. This life, This life, you feel get today. Tomorrow you no feel get. Yes. You feel get today. Tomorrow you no feel get. Now so they be.
She they talk about to say she was never broke. Now for that shaft she want just do to take get. She they say according to allegedly, that guy will go call a we say my act of pride that would pay me. If you feel just death in that manner. Say she kind of condemn me when he can't see I can't and say no if he go the camp put the stand and go say too far and apart from that you don't want to go camp you don't go the see for that say be so consider camp, this and that. Why that boy now get that I said no be 0-0 you get. Don't use 0-0, they go camp. They want to use 0-0. If you go camp, let us give you 1 year. And if you don't see work, you are your own. That 0-0 don't pay for them be that. Because now one of my friends from digitally died like 10 years ago. He called, go give the pastor John and say, he wants to Jeremy, go Adoro, I started collecting the given of one. Give Adoro 1 year.
Mama, Adada, wait till you write so. Make I tell you one story. I will tell you one story. When you say, Adada, say what you write so about the girl. Will I say me or will I use somebody? How? How want it? You know what people don't know for this life? Some people, they when something happen to. Some people, they when something happen to. They go lost everything. They go lost gold, lost Hollandis. Those are the things we be say, we will be a those state women. Waiting, we always a price say we achieve for abroad. When you have gold and you have Hollandis, you try. You go, the person he lost all. The person never think one day say, he go see himself for us, they say. But why? The person reach there. As he reach there, he see other people for there. The person come, who they laugh each other? Where you there? Where I come there? You want come they laugh me? You want come they laugh me? Did you know that there is a lot of people that lost something? People there that lost something. We be say na money, but they leave that thing, follow something another thing. When one way block, another one go open. There is people that have money. I will wanna where I'm your wanna oh me. But he broke down. But God rise them again. Did you know a lot of women like that? Or maybe say this life, if some people want to draw you go back because of something, cut that rope. You go cut the rope. You go move, go front. I told you, Stan, it was very bad. It's a pity art. When we say una art, somebody when we say, he died. Look at the way. Ha! It could be like say when the guy fell there alive, the guy now na enemy. Ha! Now they try, sha. I pray, I bet if you see me for road. No, no greet me. I use God beg una. No greet me. I don't need that. Ha! When I dey look, I say, one day tears gonna come out from my eye. Ha! It could be like say this girl fell offend to now before. It could be like say this girl fell fight to now before. How the way you want woo? Even people when you offend before, they go even now they cry pass. These people when they call and say they love her now then. Did you know what that really that woman, she was with her enemies, but you never know say he did with her enemies. Now be that move when God carry her commode for IT, carry her go Germany. I will say if he stay for that Germany, maybe she for still day alive today. Now wait till I see be that. God can move you commode for where your enemy day. People whether they do like do, now then, now person when you know they reach your house, you don't know road to your house. You know they enter your house. Mama not there yet again. Mama. You ain't for with no mood. We are mama who to walk there your wow. Mama I for with no mood. You don't put me for mute, Don't mute me. Oh. You know? It's very bad. No. When they make people they scared. I mean people they run for now. No. No, yeah. I wish the girl know that at the time when we reach Germany, the girl for Germany, maybe the girl for survive waiting. Wait it my and so the girl for survivor. Like this one now don't still give una this thing now. Or it don't still make una open eye now. See make una get sense. There's anything when it happen, somebody must collect for inside. If there's some problem sometimes, una decide to leave the country when una dey go another country. No matter who you be, at that moment, my person, remove proudness and be who you are at that moment. Then you continue your life from there. There is a lot of people. And they be mama. But there is some area where people say they're rich. Eh? They're not going to show mama again. They come loyal to themselves, loyal to the people where they're there. Because no, there is no how camp go big rich for Obodo Ibo. You must see Nigeria for there. That is how it is. But the way when why we kinogo again ni wama we say una no do well. No. Woki o ha me kan ti na abi o ma ye wu wana ya jealousy o imi. We dey call the jealousy dead body. Ha! Nah, wow. Most of them, if they read this girl, wow, the girl picture they there, they never block this girl one day. As this girl die finish, all of them go, go they collect the picture for there. Go they use and they write RIP. Wow. Ha! Wow. And the worst part of it, they no give away your children for inside house. They get the way when they tell you. Do you not even think of your children safe? Eh? Your children when they say eye, nose, ear, head, touch eye, touch eye, touch nose, I will touch it. Now one thing, now only eye, now be nose, now be mouth, now be teeth. Imono is very vague. Ejabe. Mama. From you, I don't believe it. Okay, this Jessica Love say for she not believe Eddie and is okay for waiting 1 second. Eh? You not believe them? Eh? Okay, but we talk about a pound now.
Mommy lovely.
Eh?
I don't post one thing for my work. I was saying for years. Now me read that. Easy your bed. Then I don't come out for Ewi and his wife. He say I don't give you a new topic. But come out, come tell us, come tell the world what you do, Sharok Mame, for Denmark. Now is your marriage director come out? No.
That means if that ewu wife, ewu wife. That means that girl a very useless child.
Very useless, and if the church is a disease, doctor.
If you must dey school, you must dey school. Ekwebe muyen. Oye kon ha. Eh?
They say make he can't tell us now what he do channel for Denmark. He got to come explain now.
See now. He born 4 children. Now only 1 good for his side. 3 no good. That 3 now be the symbol of 3 egg when she thief. Or the one where they not good for his side. They will say which cartoon? Tatu, for how many years? If you will see small picking of 1 year now, tell me see cartoon.
They say A for apple, B for boy, C for cat, A for ever. I be a woman, ya Damawa, Yola, Barushi, baby, Makadi, Akaibo. You gonna
this one, they all go say apple. You go say apple, say orange, apple, say you go say you go say apple, you go say apple, you go say orange, apple. Say banana, apple. Now apple. Be like say, yeah, where? You don't say where. Now wait till you talk. Now where they repeat.
You go repeat.
Where Yankee? Touch eye. Touch nose, eye. Touch ear, eye. Oh. Abroad the way be say medical full on. Imona wa miotona igwa unyewa will be oriai. Ah!
God that beg. God that beg.
Any money, when fear or you more. If the picky they work out for ground, if they see cockroach, they go pick and they go chop on. Toto, Ibiaka Naku. We have a bed.
When the welfare beats, and not be the people, the children like us, juju before. They put food for grants. They cut food for grants.
They're gonna trade the children, even they're not a trade dog like that again. Even street dog now. Street dog. Street dog, if you put something for ground for them, they're not they take, they will work out liver. If you put something for plate, they will carry. Mama, Mama, say apple.
Apple.
Say orange. Apple. Say banana. Say banana.
Banana.
No, you say apple. Now apple be everything. Mama say apple.
Okay, yes, true. Oh yeah, apple.
Say banana.
Apple.
Say orange.
Apple.
Say pera.
Apple.
No, apple. Papa.
Apple.
Oh.
Apple. Just imagine.
Uh-huh.
Apple. They're not even the apple, they're not a bit talking about apple, you know they listen.
You tell say where now they go, they say that they go cool.
Apple.
Mama, where you they go? Cool.
I go nowhere. We were just finish. No,
No, if they don't dress the children finish, they'll ask the children say where did they go. They'll say that they go cool. For abroad.
Because the past 2 years. Not if you talk.
For where?
Break, husband go there, la video, the wife go there, the back, go there happy. You go there say Pastor Grace, Pastor Disgrace. You don't carry the take up Pastor Grace. Just so new zans. I never see wife like that for my life. You can never call your husband to caution. Tomorrow then you go see crack come out and the man don't beat you time for his house.
There will be now.
Right, they worried that woman so. That at the night they worried this infection because where you know let her enter, so that blood don't enter her head. She's not normal, she's not normal.
Now every 9 months you take born now.
So tell me why she don't go crazy. That's what they call every 9 months. Tell me why. I get your apple. Apple. Apple.
Mama, where you they go?
Me?
You don't ready school finish. You don't put school bag for your bag. Where you they go? Cool.
I go cool.
No, what? The children self. Now different look. Now that they look, so they look like this. So they look like this.
They look growth.
Mama, the 1 year when they be like 75 years old man. Now old man, now my be a woman.
Now they ask me.
The pikin old though. Why you old?
All the children of the old though.
No, that last born old though.
Okay, you know say that last boy, you know why he old? Because that 2 in 1, as they can do it, that boy get because he get prick. Now make her old. It's about Zekazue. 2 in 1. You know say that picky they wear a mark, they tell us na boy. We don't know say that 2 in 1, and last they constantly tell us say she get because
Okay, you get because and prick. They not go operate, huh? Make they go operate the. Not only the police that will operate come on, because they not feel operate toto.
No, make they Dr. Kafili, that record get to Toto. Ah.
And if he grow up, his husband go enjoy am when he go fall for this Toto small, he go still go fall for this. No, he say he want come dey insult my children. No, say me, I get bad mouth. Now peace, now just one may I make. Mama, what did they want to now? They want go cut the prick.
So get to Toto.
Oh. Okay, if he come born, if he want come born, if he come grow, if he come marry, if he want come born, which Toto will come for born the pikin now?
Maybe go use that one, use the up anyone.
Okay, the second Toto, if they operate and I go do on top of where it was supposed to be. Where can they do AJ? Why is your look bad enough in the money radio? Ihe no. A boy man.
A boy man, once a boy tap I forget to. I don't say recently that the secret like journal.
Hey. And the larger way they swear for her, they can't disgrace and where that larger you do the work.
If they work, what did they tell me?
Yeah, I disgrace her.
I'm disgraced to number nine.
Mama say apple.
Apple.
Say orange.
Apple.
Say pera.
Apple.
Say juice.
Apple.
Oh, any beer.
Emona filo kwa emona zizobo.
Imona bia webo.
And when sacrifice rejected. And when sacrifice rejected. Emona sacrifice that you reject here.
Mama, we said if you give me one for that picking now.
Which one is that? You want to do sacrifice? You know work.
No, I want to the picking.
Can I do it?
I will collect the pikin, carry go me government, make that they pay me.
You want carry ancestors enter house?
You don't say I be juju now. I be juju woman now.
I forget to. Maybe you don't want to do carry.
Make that give me one. Make that give me one for inside. We are book now.
Just carry the one will be deaf and done with this side. So that you could use the one to do oracle.
That one will go there in your toe. That's your in your toe. Few.
You go say any to because she don't fit talk. She don't let fear. She go to fear. Then you go to translate. Now go help you. Go help our ministry. But we go carry that one.
If we carry come with me, go they talk. Oh, we must talk.
No, I will cut to use a do. I will wait one is to do. No, don't any parlor, any Ezekiel. Just go.
Mama, you wicked. You shall say not be buried when you go bury those children when they are alive. You might they worry them so. Make I tell when that sister call her day house.
Check.
Sister Carla. Huh? Rabbi?
Can I call this chief kids?
Me I carry her come we can't fool ourselves for here. She's the need foolishness. Hey, we are going bewe. Yeah, my now we fake my cat bewe. My baby, we are going to make baby. We have a day. Boo have a day. Well, my cat baby. Add to Christian house. No, what? Oh, you know what? We're not going to buy the movie. Some say na prank. Oh, yeah, one no will high good. Oh, I don't know. Say sister call her day her so.
Oh yeah.
Is it pay? Oh, what here we go? I think they go there.
I beg go get up, whatever. I mean, she go sleep.
Okay, God not there.
Sister Kala.
Yeah.
Gucci, mommy.
Sister Kala.
You know you say they don't thief gold. We got this. Our dad, you just they call, never beat anybody.
You got it the hot.
My body they my sister. I don't feel like for they don't thief gold though. We are welcome to Ajepkako evening.
Oh.
I want to people wait think to that gold. Did you see the line where put their head there? Now only God go head there.
Yeah. They for share and put for inside house. They know they put gold for one place.
To these people today. Make I tell you the one thing. If I told this to people that go believe me, but I mean what he
Drink.
Make I talk. You know say the movie has the children don't they finish for the house to show no.
Children.
But what me suspect? I pick you wait, make I tell you. I pick you when they tie your hand. I can't lose your hand. Okay. Oh yeah, wait.
My papa go lose his hand now.
No, be papa. He said the boy come manage lose his hand, come cut it. Okay, the list I make a turn and what's happen. You know, say it's okay. If they go Belgium, go use documents, they borrow goods. If I want to use good, if you go to borrow, you drop your documents. It's everywhere. If you want to use good. You know, so when you borrow and rich, you can form anything. You can return it and come and tell us, say they don't see fun. Because your body again. Don't expire.
All of the one where you not just get for inside where using money buy.
The remaining one Gogorongo. All these Gogorongo which to the missa. All the other fall for side dance. Not see the dance all of us go meet. All of them fall for side body for side dance. Now they pick up for granted. God don't they put for body like that. So no we leave that matter. They don't return good. And that he has. Now you could be one of it to kind of say, picking on the finish for them. And the children don't they all put up for ground. Now even when you press back, they will get out in before they open door. So I think that's the one where the best side I go open door with the country. You know you're telling me I talk. I said I only go.
Sister Kala, you don't know what you want to talk again now. Now you got the talk.
Because me, I don't all this thief God. Me, I don't understand that. I don't understand though.
If they thief your real gold, did they pay? To be honest, yeah, do we real gold? You move or here we pay?
You don't go believe me now. You don't go believe me now. The time when that woman they saw yesterday say anybody where is Sagara because of this death of Fipiki. Say what they go see for body go hot. They never even break down and got the happen.
Brother, they dead.
That woman where?
I they use the phone, I know the phone when I they use. I want to use it to take money for it.
The woman is swear.
I see.
Blood in her heart.
Not for me.
Say, it's not coming now.
Okay. You got the car they go. You know the code. You know the code. You bring Bible.
This will be lovely. Come on for here, you make me to start with the talk for here. Or use your own talk to the top of our which can't talk with this one.
You wait till I talk again.
You don't do for something matter.
No, now one of una, una background, I didn't enter.
Maybe not mother color, my background the entire.
Because yeah.
Mama, you don't know what you they talk. Mama, what they talk to now you go talk. She don't know. You talk to your pikin. When they do a proko for you, you carry your pikin to the job. Come on. I can't talk with that one. My darling sister, let me continue. You understand me? Number one point, the woman is there money period. The both and the wife begin the saga and they use and make money. That woman swear, say anybody will go use and make 5 kobo, go lost millions. Now happen.
But they don't mention one woman name, say that woman I cut him their gold now.
Which woman?
They don't mention one.
Mama Melissa.
And the woman what they say gold now. They say the woman they say gold.
Melissa now. Not the Mama Melissa.
He got them what they call her just now. Walking so I don't know what they call her.
Okay.
So go, I don't know.
Now, Mama Melissa, I know people that they talk. Even she they want to go to borrow gold for that one hand. And if they drag that one, call bet that one go disgrace the way well. Call bet.
They say that one. You know when you take a say, may go bring it because you they say gold. You don't get. You know what you feel the way they do.
Me watch them. Me not block these people.
Mama, just they use one gap they talk.
He said the woman they said God may go bring the. He said that the woman bring people say person come. Me I don't believe that story at all. And they say the pikin come say the I don't believe that story. It's the pikin come say the two of the come enter later the black woman come enter. You were the lock for kitchen. How you come to see the black woman?
Before that one go say person say make come pack their goods, you go know say if follow that one buy no pay, that one go say they come pack my goods. Anyway, wait there. The story.
Okay, the woman will just pack everything. All your God when she get now the only the woman she follow by.
How many goods she get? I bet don't do. Mommy,
God, yo.
She tell nothing like that woman. She see that woman. She see her. She see her.
But Papa,
the picture where they talk like that. You where they say they talk for his ass. How you can't see the woman? How you can't see the black woman?
They not break door. Let me see they break door.
They don't break door.
So how the answer is someone that they best side that they live for us.
Mama, you know.
So I don't the story, the story get us.
I go talk her.
He get us it be. Me, I don't understand that the story not straight. It's not
clear.
Buy Coca-Cola for me.
It's not clear.
It's not clear. They not give any good.
It's not clear.
Not give any good. Who can live for us to open door for people contact? Why not first the woman? Why not your first see the woman? Where the woman enter?
Exactly. Why not see the woman? Why you can't tell no? You what they say? You said they can't take the key enter the contact here. So how you can't see the woman? You were the type of kitchen. How you can't see the woman? Now they say the story not clear.
Maybe I bring the pikin come out to make her explain to her.
The pikin they shout for them. Say make they leave her. Say you know what talk. You know make they leave her.
I remember not let me mess for body. I beg. I just got a beg.
The pikin they shout for me.
Okay, the pikin they shout. The pikin no want be eyewitness.
No, the pikin they shout. Say baby, leave me.
Nah, the pikin when they put gun for a year. Then instead of the to suffer talk and they shout, why the pikin no go shout?
Why that pikin go hospital?
And they put gun for the pikin here.
Okay.
You believe that kind of story?
You say if you believe the movie and you okay, now risk be that.
On your own risk.
I don't believe that story. I don't believe that story at all. I don't even believe that.
But if you see the woman body language, it says really something happened to the woman. I know say it's something when you see her, you go see body say.
Maybe the woman block the road, follow and fight. Collect the gold, we buy, we not pay.
Okay, the woman come follow and fight for road. Now the one when the woman wear go outside, now they carry her pin. That the one when they inside house.
She said she don't wear anything. They go all the gold, even the shekere will cost more.
The pack all of the see that good.
Okay, shower.
Even the one will cost more price. She said, see her, she not put earring for a year. Everything when they don't call earring, will be earring. You know that ass again. Which kind of story is this one?
They know that you know what? Real gold, real gold.
Make I tell you, if the real gold is okay, my person I know, where I don't even go the house, she don't feel you put gold, put her for Jabba place. I go tell that they get one particular gold now, she don't go buy for person who don't give pay, when she don't want pay, so she go say they don't tiff her. She need money. That girl, before, even when they saga that woman, when she's supposed to stop her husband, say, stop this thing. She joined. They called that woman, Ashi Wele. Ashi 50 cents. 50 cents. But
Mama, we they talk of gold. You say gold day when you say when you say gold day when you buy when you never pay.
I don't be attestatances. I be all of that they mix together.
And you know that if you talk
allegedly, anything they talk on allegedly. Don't want women marry. Anything I talk this allegedly. As she said, maybe that's not maybe now they finish all this.
But all those gold when they wear, when they big. No, you know this which factory they manufacture that gold?
No, I don't know. No, my papa.
All those one are ungongoro now. All those one not be good now. All those one are ungongoro.
All those will be like a spider. Where the big anyhow. Where be like plate. So be like plate. So be like plate.
Bogorogo. That leaf which they put for here, not be she get her. Now Mama Melissa get that leaf. I don't want to give her. The one when person buy. Listen though, when I did there, if I talk to her, she call, go bring juju paper for me. Somebody call her, tell me she they sell good. Not be saying that she they sell good, and my mom Melissa they sell good though. So now, that one cost that half money, say, maybe they cut it out as if it's not half money, they will post the gold, they will pay finish. Why do I don't say half money? Now, this time, my sister when they wear the gold, they work out at that. That was there, and you go back there.
But why una they buy gold for black people hand? Fake things. All those are not be gold. Now, if you want to acquire gold, you go to gold shop.
You go to gold shop, you go to Felisa mainstream. Go to Italy, go buy
gold. If you want to buy gold, go this in Venezia, inside sea. You go buy gold for there. Go Firenze, you know. Go buy gold for there.
They want buy this gogorongo. You get what I see from one of my friends for France. I called and say, I don't know. He just make sure my eyes. They don't feel laugh. Laugh won't kill me.
Okay, how much they go there? They bound those gogoro for their hand now.
I've been at this body they talk. Sister Kola. I've been at this body make sure her name because she black.
No, they said no. What did they read? They said that two. He said that one black woman. They said that the woman where they said gold. The woman they said gold. Where we hear gold though. Where we hear gold though. Where we hear gold though. Where we hear gold though.
Now this not good now. This not good. They said gold for them.
They said the woman they said gold.
With my mom Melissa. Now two of them they said gold.
He said, okay, so go. Okay, so go. But then so go. I said, today not today. This one I don't see.
Maybe they go cut. I'll go with the bloggers. They cut. Maybe I go listen for them.
Okay, so all those big chain not be real good. Yeah. Now true, my sister. If you reach market, if they give you 3,000 euro gold, it's small. If you wear now, people go say, what did you wear? But now money, now the person wear. All those who go borrow, that
all those gogoro. That one not they. All those gogoro not they exist again now.
Why una go carry 500 euro now? Use and take buy something when you know give una money. Like me, the one wey go give me money, now me and they buy I don't know.
No.
Shop
Because,
they there.
no, you don't say, because he big, they'll look at it because he big. Because he big. Not be big, they tell they measure gold. You get gold where they say, it goes be like ants. They tell you the money.
Put her for this thing. You know how much? All those things
You know
not be
what?
in. All
They
those
don't
things.
believe in all those fat pangolo, all those Napoli goals. Fat pangolo.
You know what? That's the way that they wear.
Yes, Mama Lovely. If you take her eat grab, it go go back. It go go back.
If I see her for Facebook next time, I'll share her for my wall. Where they'll put her for ground. They'll call you this to spread down. They'll call put the design when they want design. They'll call knock. If they get where they cut her. You're saying not good. All those are not they throw away money. All those are not be good.
Because you know where you're back. When I go France, people go Paris. Say it get where they import all this bogoro they go Nigeria. And then they sell it for you. If you see her, if you don't look at when you just say that original gold, go there.
And at that thing, now they spread their neck. Now make their neck they black. No good. Yeah.
Make their ear they black.
You know they good. The chemical they affect their skin. Make them go report now. Make them go police station. Go tell police say thief reach their house.
They say police don't come do fingerprint for their house. So they say police don't come do fingerprint. Police don't come do fingerprint.
You know they don't come. They don't do fingerprints now.
They say police don't come. The police don't come do fingerprint. So me and they wait now. Make we hear the people who get the fingerprints.
Very good. We are waiting.
Yeah, because if they open door, they go do. You get waiting they take the
fingerprint. The woman fingerprints not there. Say the woman go call sue them. Say they go see the receipt. Come back and do the thief receipt.
He said they pack the receipt or he said they pack receipt.
Okay, they pack the receipt, follow the gold.
He said they take the receipt as well.
That day when the life for come. It's good that they tell this woman say, bring receipt of your gold, come out. We want to see all the receipt. You don't see what bring home.
If you reach shop, where you for buyer, the receipt still there the shop. Not so they go take one, give you one.
Make it go there, go collect the duplicate. He did there.
Yeah.
May I go collect duplicate to Jehovah Niti? Who do us this one? Who do us?
But how you go just pack all your gold put for one bus?
But we not be the one for you. They
Police
ask one
come.
question. Yeah, I tell you.
Epa no do Ijekika say police come say Epa no do video.
God, he said that one red luggage, like put all the gold. But if not set by set, you don't fit put everything together because it must be set and set. It must
go they get container. You get container, yeah. Like this one when you get my nest, so you get your container of this day upstairs.
Not be gogoro go. Be say you go just put everything. Even GSF when you go back, you see they get container set of gold. You don't go put everything for one. You just put rope. When they put everything together.
Commander say police don't come. Wait first. You get what I want show now. Sister Kola, now true you told me I go bring my old case of gold. Wait, they talk.
You get gold. Said gold get set. Since he said I said that said she they buy. All of them not supposed to one place. It's supposed to be all of them. It's supposed to arrange it for different containers. Why can't be say all the gold we don't take the ass? You know, even the one will cost small pass, they pack everything. Everything. I said that is don't see why. You don't see Wahala. You don't carry road with big person. Whether not thief to go that house. You don't see like with big person.
Not true because if you buy gold, they
Container, you see, they say set of goats, they container. Any
Yeah,
goat
they
buy
container.
container. You must take container. They don't
Yeah.
put
You don't see my you don't see him. Mr. Kala,
yes,
they see him.
they don't put goat for cellophane.
Yeah, no.
They put that.
Put you. Leave
Like you say now cellophane because he put goats all of them. You just put everything for one place. They put goats for
They don't let put go for one place like that. If thief call your house, oh, I'm way yakba.
Now rope. I've been out those bomboro where they put if you just come for party program for there. If you won't go out, you all those acting fashion earring. All those fashion earring. That is the choice for one place like that.
The movie for video and say police don't come.
They say police come. The police don't come do fingerprint. They don't come.
This one went dey my name so. This one went dey my name so. If I pull, I will put them for inside this one. If I put down, I know where I go. They hide and put. Because if they come house, make they no carry am. Do you understand? You cannot keep gold for one place. Like me now, my gold now, I share them for inside house. Yeah.
Which one you care? Care say like your care back what you put for neck.
Wait, you say Lepa don't tire. Okay, Lepa they cry. Oh, now your wife this they carry now. When they talk say na ungo goro. Even this say na ungo goro, not be money they buy ya.
No. We don't say me. I'm not saying not be money to buy. I will be saying thief to the kind every line where thief they see they big back.
Now I make you do not the kid thief. You do not the kid thief now.
Line.
If the thief want tea, they will say na 20 teas. Now they will say okay, come swear.
He said, if I can say the God when they teach today is more than 100 million, 100,000 euro. It's more than 100,000 euro.
Go shop get 100 million. If you enter go shop, they're not gonna give 100 million gold for inside go shop. Make if not go enter.
More than 100,000. He said it's reach more than 100,000.
If you reach go shop, 100 million. Yeah, they're not the pack I put for there, and if they want pack an underground because thief can enter.
You know what they call 100,000 euros.
Almost more exactly. When you go to couple for and I be say they buy one gold 20,000 euro or 30,000 euro.
No man, not just this shower, this bello.
Not polygon, not the heavy. Then if it be like it go be like caterpillar. If you put that for neck, you know the heavy. That's it.
He get one gold necklace when I get. It be like chain. Be like that chain. Not be like this. Not say this one around. It be like chain. He get now two like the shade. One small, one small. Then if I get the big one, then the day when I come that time when I buy and when I go to the shop, I come to say I see two necklace for here. Like this one, the big one. The man tell me say they go lock am for inside house.
Okay.
They can't put the small one for there. If you reach where they sell gold, they know they shade and full everywhere. Thief can come and tell you know.
You as you want big, you just put a gold of
100,000.
100,000 euro.
For inside house.
Put that for inside house.
Now I don't tell the man say now that one now me. They can't tell me say he dey inside house. If you see where they lock gold put.
Okay.
Now so they take the roller. They'll take the roller. Open am.
No, we forget that. You know even fear say your own children go even carry the gold go sell. You know even fear.
If you see talk one word down, but beloved to the verse, I know
No. We will not talk about children for the gold.
If you actually talk one last say see the pikin that fit don't go chop her, they will say I don't
You
start
don't
to.
even fear.
But una say not be good now. Who the children want go say it my one for? Na this thing na roofing na.
I go dey think that goes. Yeah, if you go carry a mate come.
I
They
beg
go dey
you.
think that goes. You go see how tomorrow they'll come to nowhere for outside.
Don't forget about this thing. Not only God know what happen. Me, I don't believe say thief come that house. I don't believe. I don't believe.
I no good for them. No good.
When they say they tell your hand, they tell your hand. How you come take lose your hand? When you go carry phone, come they call your pa. How you take lose your hand? You need to say the truth to tell you, they tell your hand. No, your papa for come lose your hand.
Okay.
Can you talk for me later?
Okay.
You're not sleeping.
Okay. You go come talk for I get everything they do.
You want something to eat?
Whether I want something to eat, just put the money for my account.
No, you people leave me alone. At work.
I did. No. Aya, what go now? We dey gossip o.
Make they go find wetin they want talk. Make they go find wetin they want talk. Mm-hmm. I mean, I know.
But because that girl supposed to get boss like this. They're supposed to get boss. Yeah.
Not be no get way. Put
If
that.
you feel that 100,000 euro, why not buy safe? Or
You know that-
10,000?
Yeah.
Exactly, that goat supposed they save, that save, not be boss.
Why you not buy them for safe? If that
You
truth.
supposed get
You
saved.
cannot get. Well, no waste my saliva for this
If
gossip.
as he talk say the goat na save way put an head they carry the save. I for believer. Not be boss.
She for not pack am for one place. They know they pack gold put for one place.
Mama, love you see the boss where say that you see that Ecolag boss.
Mm.
The red one, now she said to pack and put.
Okay, they don't break the boss. They break the boss.
They
They break
don't break
am.
out, they just open now. They
Uh-uh.
don't break out.
You not get the boss, not get number.
I don't know. They just open now, not breaking, nothing. I go put gold. If you see the boss,
They're not planning where they're not
if you
planning
see the boss, Mama, love you. If you see the boss, that boss where they put clothes. Boss where they put clothes. Ecoland boss.
Not be that if you want buy boss, say you want buy this. Now kit. Get one small kit when they arrange
This
gold.
one be kit. This one not be kit. This one a boss. This one not be kit.
I had the content. Listen, I had the content also that I got that red boss. That he go.
Exactly. I had the content also that I said that red boss. Exactly.
They said yeah, they carry the boss down and they can't shake hand like this. Every year now also go now.
When the boss will be saying that the fourth club put even me, this was not the one with me they use for yet back I day so I get that for Isaac Kella. Na mi me go di me ale je bi me make no je me ari party me ari ogun me yari ni me hian lo be gbista ye Kella ni we
You know what it be 100,000 euro? 100,000 euro go there. They put for any place. 100,000 euro go.
Nothing like that. Nothing like that.
As I tell they use, if I just see use this one finish, now if you tire me now, I will go carry and go keep her for where they keep her. Then I'll carry another one. I'll carry comb. Now so they know they pack her together. I pack it if you don't enter your house.
When I did Nigeria that they don't say I get all this original beads. They don't say my grandmama na beads business that I do before you die. All my big expensive beads. When I used my birthday that day, now bank I put some. Oh my God, now bank it day. Anywhere where I want to use, I go take care. Use that for engineers, I go drop off for them. As they come up from Nigeria, don't thief rich, don't say anything.
Okay, the bid when you still get now they see thief the bid journal.
You get beads.
everything she not give in that gold. She not mention say she get beat. He say all the gold where she get for life. Even the small, you see that pin gold, the pin one. She know they pack everything.
It's okay, but they go outside. You don't even put pee in for here.
You know say day life now. Why you dey call?
She don't come put pee for here. That's not first time you say la life full of them out.
Me, I know.
Mama, what are you doing now? Come and wait for my answer. Oh, wow.
Now big, come small one.
All those one when they big. Oh, this boy, you don't. I don't know where it is, whether it's the same, whether my papers not work for her, I don't know. Call her. If they call, you can't see your phone. If now we now go, they know they come. If now we black now go, they know they come. We want on the phone. Even for the ring, say we not concerned. They not get who they follow gossip. But Titi, Ima is calling you. You come and pick your call. I don't know. Wait, not start for my phone. Now look at that big one when they wear when you go full neck. All those ones now don't get container. Did you go respond the call for up? I don't want to enter my life. Go up, please. Okay, those big one I see Ngogoro. Una not go make heaven. Thief enter person house now, thief is gold. Una they say they na ga Ngogoro ngo. I pray make una make heaven oh. Huh? Instead of una to the follow and cry say they lost the gold. Now una put am for a joke. No cry. Oh, you know what? You want to be a bad movie. When I say when if you can not want here, want here. Want here. Ah, it dey painful. It dey painful where? No. It's painful.
Mommy, do you see the key?
Which one?
To open the door.
No. Huh? Una not talk again.
You bring them with us. You don't say get God. You say you don't get God. You don't let us respect.
This is ridiculous.
I tell you, yeah.
We don't say not get God. You not get God. You not the listen. I will leave the matter for you.
But they shall come and say they carry this thing now. Huh?
As you can't come out to cut in and say, the thing with the thief now, Emina, Ghana, Sunazu, go.